This is how I cook Takikomigohan, Japanese mixed rice adding chicken, shimeji mushroom, and thin fried tofu. Thank you for watching this video, but if you're new here, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button not to miss my new videos. Here are the ingredients. For making dashi, you need water and dried seaweed and also katsuobushi. And other ingredients gonna be aburage, boneless chicken, shimeji mushroom, rice, soy sauce, and cooking sake, salt, and mitsuba. For the first part, let's make dashi or stock. First, wet the paper towel and wring it. And this is the kombu or dried seaweed. So you need to wipe any dirt away like this. And I'm gonna fast forward. And soak the kombu into a water. You have to soak for about 30 minutes. While you soak kombu into a water, let's cut the other ingredients. And this is the aburage, or in English, deep fried tofu. Let's cut into bite-sized chunks. And I'm gonna fast forward. Next is chicken, and if you don't want, you don't have to use any meat. And again, I'm gonna cut into bite-sized chunks. And this is shimeji mushroom, and it's already cut, so I just open it and put into a bowl. These are the ingredients I used today. This is deep fried tofu, aburage, and this is shimeji mushroom, and this is chicken. So let's go back to making dashi. The kombu absorbed water and it got bigger. So I will boil this water. We're also gonna use katsuobushi, the dried bonito flakes, like this. Boiling water for a couple minutes. I think you can see small bubbles, and that is a sign to take out the kombu. And now it's time to put katsuobushi dried bonito flakes into a boiled water. After the katsuobushi sank, you will use the strainer and take out dashi like this. Look at this golden colored dashi, or stock in English. This is how we create dashi in Japan. What we're gonna do next is rinse rice. like this. I'm gonna fast forward. Next, we are gonna put the rice into a rice cooker. And also today I got 4 rice cooker cups of rice, so I'm gonna fill the rice with adding dashi until this level, or line number 4. And at this point, you add soy sauce and cooking sake and salt. And you taste it. If you don't like, you can add more soy sauce, salt, or sake. After you finish tasting, you put other ingredients. Chicken and shimeji mushroom. Finally, you add aburage, deep fried tofu. And now you're ready to put this one into a rice cooker. After waiting for 10 minutes, now you can open the rice cooker. And yeah, this is the simple Takikomigohan. And you add the Japanese parsley, and it's finished. And before I end, I have a question for you. So comment below what is your favorite Japanese food or what Japanese food you want to try. Let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and also please check out other videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.